hotspot area.
Hinyotrap Youth Council HYC President Roy Kupar Sindram on Tuesday appeared before the Sadar Police station in connection with an FIR registered over the eviction drive carried out by the group at Lum Survey. Talking to reporters, Sindram said that they are ready to cooperate with the police, adding that they will also be participating if the police handed over the case to the court. He said that he has nothing to comment against the police for registering cases against the leaders of the organization.
Awan jong kulit kumangalaong na do menin bahaba ka police department gan khot yang ngi kloy banwan ban yasim banta kanika jing tokit pat kumjuru la da pengat ika kes persya ngi la da ka kes ka poya pokut hi hadin bagi pulit kinle la ka jong ka kam ngi ru na kalayang ka jong ngi yasim banta kata tingim no ni ban kren persya ya ka Police Department ni nuan rei kumba kalong hi nakalyang jo kasing ringkat bat kipat ba ngilayo i ka jing long jing man jo to ka jaka to ka apply trick bat kablapen pelong pat ya ki babun ki badon hang tu ban shim ban le ya ka e ka bade ban le.
At least 3 coal